Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to be showing you how to clip in ponytails for very fine hair. Firstly, I'm going in with my mousse. You want to use mousse. I don't like using hairsprays because I feel your hair gets like really flaky, but with the mousse it adds shine and makes it easier to put up, and when you do take out your hair it still remains in really good quality. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. So now I went ahead and straightened the hair because I decided to give her a bang because she really suits one. So you're gonna have to do this if your client wants it or not. For this, it's my best friend. Now I'm going in with some bald fillers. She has fine hair, so you might need a powder one. I use the powder one and just use the like a paper to catch the fallout, and then I put it back in her hair. And this product is really good because the moment I put it on her, it just stayed in her hair. I went ahead and used some gel to lay down her edges because we need those edges well snatched. I love doing my edges. So for her, I didn't want to go TT. So for her ponytails, I used the quick and easy ponytail. I have various colors. If you're interested in this hair, give me a buzz and I will send you a color to match your hair. And they're quite cheap. So they are perfect for this look. Absolutely in love with it. You can take it out, adjust it to how tight you want it to be, and just hide the string in it and just pop it back in. Just there's so much you can do with this, and it's really strong and sturdy. Like I said, if you're interested in this hair, I've got in various colors. I'll be happy to help. While my bestie is enjoying her new hair, we decided to glam out her look with the new Zora lashes. This lash is really beautiful, fluffy, super light. She's not used to wearing lashes, so I made sure I give her the super natural one, and she absolutely loves it. These are my Ever Flawless lashes. If you fancy these lashes, please let me know. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I will see you in my next one.